Hey guys, and welcome back to my crafty lounge. Today I want to show you how I created this little cute Easter banner. So I used the Hop Cuts die set to cut those little bunnies out of our corrugated cardstock. And so what I did with the negatives, I went ahead and measured them to, I believe it was 2.5 by 4. And so I did that on purpose so that I could use the actual negatives and use that for a card. And you saw that with my previous video that I made. And here is that cute little shaker that I made with it. And so what I did with the solid bunnies was I created this cute little banner. And so I chose my 5 pastel colors and I used an 8.5 by 11 cardstock sheet. I cut it in half, so that's my A2 base. And so I actually ran it through. So this is the way I positioned it on my cardstock to run it through at once so that I could make 3 different size banners and only run the machine once. So I've made this size, and this smaller size for my office. So this is going to be on the main mantle, and this is going to be in my craft room. And I use the Pen and Fun die template. So once you got your little triangles cut out and you've got your little bunnies, I simply use craft glue to glue them down and a foam square on that little bunny tail to pop that up. Next, I use my heart punch to punch little holes because that's the one that I had handy. So it creates this cute little heart shape. I also like it because it helps, it's an easy way to create confetti for a shaker card. So I've got these little heart confetti pieces that I can use on a shaker card. So once I've punched all of the edges, I would simply just run through my gingham ribbon like so. So that's simply it. I ran it through the entire banner along the back and pieced it all together. So I'll be able to hang this up just by clipping these little edges in my craft room. Another way you can tie the banner is just by simply tying a little bow between each piece. That saves on ribbon and just creates a different look. So here's my final project. This is that large banner. Then I've created the smaller banner, little itsy bitsy banner for my desk. So I hope you like this project. Thank you for watching. Remember to share it with someone who you think would enjoy it. If you have questions about any of the products that I used, please see my links below in the description.